Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a very easy Dollar Tree DIY, as you can see here. If you haven't done so already, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, and we're going to move along. But today's video is going to be so simple. I found these amazing Dollar Tree finds that I turned into a great office wall decor. So if you want to see how you can create the same look yourself, then keep on watching. So here are the supplies that you're going to need today. You're going to need these wall hooks. These removable wall hooks I got at Dollar Tree, and it came 3 in a pack. So please make sure that it says the 2 pounds or more, because that's what you're going to need. I did get a gold spray. You don't need that if you don't want to. Then I have these beautiful wall plaques, and they were like this marbleized thing. And one says follow your dreams, and it actually have the hook on the back. So I love the marble decor on it. That one says follow your dreams. This one says wake up and smile. I really love how these look. And also this one says work hard and dream big. So let's go ahead and get right into this DIY. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and sprayed my hooks gold. You don't have to do that. This was just a preference. So I went on ahead and sprayed mine's gold because I really like that. It matched with the words on there. So I just kind of center it in the center. You want to make sure it's clean. It's very easy to remove the stickers, and you just want to remove the paper and just apply it right to the area that you want to put it on. I put it right at the bottom. You just want to just make sure you have it right centered in the area that you want it, because once you put it on there, you're going to have to remove it, and that's not going to be easy at all. So I kind of secure it right there in the center, and that's how I'm going to do all of my wall plaques. And I really love how it looks. So I just going to go ahead and go on and do the rest of my wall plaques and apply the actual hooks. So this is how the finished product look. I really love it. It really brings out my wall. I love the gold, and I love the gold writing on the plaques. I really love that marble on it. These were beautiful Dollar Tree finds. Such an easy project to do and to put onto your wall. I really loved it so much, and it turned out amazing. So of course with that, you can apply anything that you want on there. I just really loved how it turned out. I put just nice decor, my handbag. You can put your keys. I just really love how everything turned out. It was so easy, guys. It's such an easy project to do. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified of all my new videos. Just make sure when you hit that bell notification that you do wait and check and says if you want to be notified, and you click yes. I appreciate you guys taking out your time and watching this quick video. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like this DIY from Dollar Tree. If you're going to do it, just leave me a comment down below and say hey. So I will see you guys in the next video. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to live your life beautifully, guys, and have a great one.